This is Friday and this is the test. I think this time for this test I'm doing it a little bit different this time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a copy of this test, and then I'm just going to have you write the answers on a piece of paper and then submit it to me. I think that probably be the easiest way because I am excluding some things on it. So let's look. So the first section is just multiple choice. You just have to look through your notes to see which one it is. That's all the way to 13. Okay, and 14. Short answers. All of these are not going to be included on the test. And then I want you to do this curve here. I think it was very important for you to make sure you understand how to read that energy curve. So I'm going to let you do page 20 to 22, and then 23, 24, and 25. And I think that's it. So for 23, it's going to be, it's saying that a warm day, a high temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit? So what you're going to do is you're going to do 9/5 times 38 degrees plus 32 to get my answer. Very simple. Number 24, to increase the internal energy per kilogram of water at a bottom of 145 meters. That's the height, right? Assume that all the initial potential energy is transferred into the water and heat of the water, and gravity is 9.81. So for 24, the only thing you'll have to do is you'll just have to take, I know it's crazy, this times that to get your answer. And then for number 25, what happens to a temperature increased at 4.0 kilograms of water if it's heated by 8.0 times 10 to the second watts emerged heater for exactly 10 minutes? So for this one here, you're going to take your P, which is your 8.0 times 10 to the second. You're going to times that by your time, which is 10 minutes. And you're going to divide that by your CPM. Well, your CPM is this here. This is your CP, right? And your M is this. That's how much it is. That's the mass. And that's all you have to do. So I don't think this test is going to be very hard at all. I hope you have a good day. I know you have received some really, really bad news, and I can't even speak on it. I can't even have Google Meets right now because I just can't even see your face, because I can imagine and I can tell by Twitter and Facebook and Instagram and some of you posting some of the things. And I mean, I understand it's not fair, and I agree with you 100% because it definitely is going to be taking some time away from me and you to be spending together. And you know, you have been a huge part of my life. I've had you, some of you, since the 9th grade, so it kills me to think that that I won't be able to say goodbye to you, and that we wouldn't have this time together, and that I couldn't see you walk across the stage and hug you and take pictures. I am devastated. So, but I just want to let you know that I'm thinking about you. I'm definitely praying for you, and I understand it's not fair, but you know, that's just part of growing up. I just hope that we will have a time that we can get together or stay connected, that when you go to college that you might need some answers to some questions, or I can help you or talk to you or whatever and connect with me. I usually wait until you walk across the stage to become friends with you on Facebook or Instagram and things like that. I've had a couple of you already asked, and I've already accepted already, because usually I wait until the end. But I want to make sure that I get connected to you and that I see what you're up to and that you can keep up with what I'm doing. But I just want to let you know I love you and I'm praying for you. And it's hard. I will see you next week. I hope you have a good weekend. Be safe.